Let's try the next one. Okay. Markings.
Oops.
Yes. Okay, markings. And a mark is this.
Eighth note. Wait. Oh no! Okay. It's a flat.
A flat sign. What does it mean to do if you see it next to a note?
Make it flat.
How do you do that?
Hit the black note.
It means to play the note to the very left.
Yeah.
Usually it's a black note. There are two cases when it's a white note, if you recall.
B? Or which one?
C flat
C
is
flat.
B.
C flat is B, okay.
F flat is E. Because remember there's the two ones with
Yeah.
no black in between. You know what? Just in case you'd like to participate, Cass, I will hold them up for you too.
I saw the answer.
Oh,
Well,
never mind.
I still don't.
Okay.
I didn't.
What's it called?
Well, I think it's a tie, like for the tied notes.
Nah,
I didn't really see the
it's a
answer.
slur. A tied note would be between two notes. One is just straight. So a tied note could change. It could go down or it could go up. A slur always is straight. And this means to play legato. Do you remember what legato means?
Quickly.
No.
No.
Legato. You say it.
Oh,
Very legato. So it's very smooth and connected. So a slur often divides music into phrases, and a phrase is a musical thought or sentence, as according to this card. What is opposed to legato? What would be the opposite of that? Staccato.
Oh, I was gonna say staccato. But
Staccato.
I don't know.
And that means to play it very disjointed, unconnected. A way you can remember legato is think of Legos. They're very connected. I don't know if the word comes from that, but it might.
It's a bracket. I don't know what it does though.
This is a pedal sign. I don't know.
Oh
if you
yeah,
know
we
this.
did.
Yeah.
We did.
We practiced using the pedal for the first time today. So if you see that, any notes between these two lines, hold the pedal down for it. Fermata. Or if you want to, fermata. That's mean. So do you remember what this does?
No.
The note underneath this fermata, you hold longer than its value. There's no set time, but it's just kind of what you feel like. So if you get to know and there's a fermata, usually it would have been leading up to it. That's how the music will feel, and you'll just hold it a bit longer before you go on and resume normal timing.
Now they're tied.
Yeah.
Tied. Eighth rest? No, not at all. Okay.
It's a natural sign.
Oh yeah, natural.
What's a natural sign do?
It makes it just white key.
Yeah, it cancels out sharps or flats.
Yeah.
Di capo al fine. Da capo al fine. That means to repeat from the beginning and play to the end. Now, when it said, okay, so da capo means from beginning. So you go back to the beginning of the piece. Al fine, that means that fine might be at the very end of the song, or that fine might be written above a certain line somewhere in the middle of the song. So you'll just go to wherever it says fine, and that will be the ending. Okay? So that's why it says from beginning to the end. Al fine. Wherever fine is written, that's where we play.
So what's the difference between that and repeat?
A repeat sign is, they're somewhat similar, but if you see a repeat sign at the very end of the song, that just means play the whole song. Again, they might do that, but more than likely, if it's a really long song, that's kind of confusing, and there's probably repeats somewhere in there, which would mean it could even more confusing, where it wouldn't make sense. So the longer the song, the more likely they're going to use da capo al fine. Plus, this allows you to make the ending not at the very end, where you saw the di capo al fine, but somewhere in the middle. I'll show you when we get an example of it in music.
It's a sharp.
What does it mean?
Play the note to the right.
Yeah, whether it's white or black.
It's a repeat.
Mm-hmm. beginning if there's no sign before it, or if there's another repeat sign facing the other way, just go to that.
That's a dotted quarter note.
No, that would be if the dot was on the side. The dot's above, which means it's an accent mark. It's staccato. Separate or detach. Opposite of legato.
Okay. Octave.
Yes, and what's it mean if you see this above a section of music?
It's 8 notes.
So play it 1 octave higher than re. If you see it below, 1 octave lower than re. And they'll usually write it for each part of the staff. So there's 2 of these. If they want you to play it higher, they'll write it 1 above and 1 above, or lower, 1 below, 1 below.
It's a repeat.
Yeah, this is the other kind of